Well, I just dropped it off again to its favorite place, to its family, 10 years, to get her work done. Laundry list of things to come. But I'll tell you all later about it. Well, as you can see, it's back. New air conditioning compressor, new belt, new tensioner pulley, oil change. Trying to think what else up here. I think that was it. Fan in the cabin was replaced, and then if I go underneath the truck, new rear end cover seal on that, and then the pinion seal on the front of the rear end was leaking. So all of that is been completed. So now I get to go in the garage, and you say, okay, Tom, what's in this box? This box is the tonneau cover that goes on the truck. So more to come. So I know it's late and it's dark, or almost dark. It's a beautiful night, beautiful sky. But here it is, the tonneau cover. So it looks great, turned out great. That'll be dry now. Another thing off the list.
So, we got a new cover. It's really nice. Stable, not really rusty or whatever.
Does it look a lot better instead of looking at the insides of that mess?
Yeah, like it's stabilized, so you won't even see like what's in it.
Okay.
And it's really nice, so it don't blow off or whatever.
Yep.
It's tight.
Okay. Well, you like it?
I really do.
Okay. Well, as you can see, it's back in the driveway. Little work that had to be done as a part of the repair. It rear end didn't seal right, and took him a while to figure it out, but he figured it out, and it's back. And for a drive tonight, it's fun. Cody had a blast. Other than that, hopefully done spending money on it for a while. So, Old Blue is back. We've had some things done. If you look over here, Sydney, we've replaced the compressor. Back up a little bit. Compressor, all the lines, all the way over to the canister. New serpentine belt, new O2 sensor. Drive shaft. That one was a surprise. But although he told me when I put it back on the road that there was an opportunity that it was going to be bad, had a crack in it. So guess what? He was right. Other than that, it's running great. Drives great. The shake is gone. There is a surprise. What is the surprise? Well, there's something coming to Old Blue. Not saying what it is. Not saying when it is. Could be soon. May not be soon. It has something to do with this box. And possibly more boxes. Or more things. But that's all I can really say. So that's my teaser for what's going on with Old Blue. Not talking about it, not telling. Nothing. So you will find out in the future.